Welcome to Tech Unboxed, your go-to channel for all things tech-tastic. Here, we unravel the mysteries of the latest gadgets and devices, providing you with updates, reviews, and comparisons that will make your tech-loving heart leap with joy. Today, we're about to embark on an epic adventure into the realm of video game consoles, where we'll dive deep into the top 5 options that will leave you doing backflips of excitement. Get ready to power up as we explore these magnificent gaming worlds. From slinging fireballs with Super Mario to spinning through Wumpa-filled levels with Crash Bandicoot, and even stepping into the boots of the legendary Master Chief, we'll unveil the wonders each console has to offer. As we journey through the realms of gaming, from the portable wonders of the Nintendo Switch to the cutting-edge experiences of the PlayStation 5, Xbox Series XS, PC gaming, and even the mind-bending adventures of virtual reality, our mission is to empower you with the knowledge and understanding needed to make the perfect console choice. As today, year 2023, is worthwhile to mention that the order from most popular to least gaming options are 1. Nintendo Switch, 2. PlayStation 5, 3. Xbox XS, 4. PC gaming, and finally in 5th place we will find the virtual reality gaming system. Whether you're a casual button masher, a fierce competitor in the digital arena, or a connoisseur of mind-bending virtual realities, having this knowledge at your fingertips will grant you the power to ascend to gaming greatness. Armed with this sacred wisdom, you shall navigate the treacherous realm of video consoles with unwavering confidence, selecting the perfect gaming companion to embark on epic quests, conquer virtual worlds, and unleash your inner nerd. So, brace yourself, fellow gamers, for this invaluable information shall be your guiding light on the path to gaming glory. It is important for both kids and parents to know about the different ratings different video games have. These ratings help us understand what kind of content is in the games and who they are suitable for. They are like little guides that tell us if a game is okay for us to play based on our age. This will provide all parents to feel at ease knowing that these ratings are there to make sure we are playing games that are just right for everyone. Parents and gamers of all ages, we want to assure you that we are here to help and support you with any questions or concerns you may have regarding specific video games, content, or availability. We understand that navigating the gaming world can sometimes be overwhelming, especially when it comes to ensuring age-appropriate content and understanding the intricacies of different games. In Tech Unboxed, we encourage you to leave us a message with all your queries and unknowns. Our dedicated team of experts is ready to provide you with accurate and reliable information, guiding you through the gaming landscape and addressing any concerns you may have. We believe in creating a safe and enjoyable gaming experience for everyone, and your questions are important to us. So, do not hesitate to reach out and leave us a message. We're here to assist you and provide the help and support you need. Together, let's explore the world of gaming with confidence and peace of mind. With that being said, let's get this Mario Party started. First, we are venturing into the extraordinary world of virtual reality gaming systems, the hidden gem among consoles. While it may not be as well known as its counterparts, virtual reality holds unlimited potential for the future of gaming. Put on your headsets and prepare to be transported to realms beyond imagination, where artificial intelligence-powered worlds come to life right before your eyes. Get ready for a mind-expanding adventure that will leave you in awe of the immersive power of virtual reality. One key benefit is the immersive experience it offers. Virtual reality technology has the power to transport you into incredibly realistic and interactive virtual worlds, revolutionizing the way we game. But that is just the beginning. The future of virtual reality holds even more promise, with the integration of artificial intelligence. Imagine AI-driven NPCs that adapt to your playstyle, making every gaming session a unique and dynamic experience. It is like gaming with a virtual world that learns and evolves alongside you. Artificial intelligence also has the potential to enhance virtual reality in education, training, and simulations, making learning more interactive and effective. Whether it is medical training or architectural design, AI-powered VR could revolutionize how we learn and work. Virtual reality is set to become an integral part of our lives, offering new dimensions of immersion and interactivity that we've only begun to explore. Now, we will be head-second deep into the world of PC gaming systems. Did you know that PC gaming is the 4th most popular gaming option in the world? That is right, and there are some fantastic reasons why. One of the standout advantages of PC gaming is customizability. You have the freedom to build your gaming rig exactly the way you want it. From choosing your graphics card to customizing your keyboard and mouse, PC gaming offers unparalleled personalization. Moreover, PC gaming boasts an expansive game library. Whether your kids are into action-packed shooters, immersive RPGs, or indie gems, the PC gaming world has it all. Plus, it is home to some of the most vibrant and passionate gaming communities out there. And let's not forget the performance. High-end gaming PCs can deliver stunning graphics, high frame rates, and fast load times, ensuring that your kids and family will get the best gaming experience possible. Take in mind that PCs might require more attention in terms of updates, driver installations, and occasional troubleshooting. It is a learning experience, but it might not be everyone's cup of tea. Lastly, there is the issue of exclusivity. Some console-exclusive games will not be available on PC. However, many developers are making the shift towards PC, so this gap is closing. Now, let's shift gears and dive into the thrilling world of the Xbox Series XS gaming system. Whether you are a solo gamer or looking for the perfect family console, you are in for a treat. These consoles offer an array of features that make them an excellent choice for the entire family. The Xbox Series XS brings the family together with its diverse game library and engaging multiplayer experience. From exciting co-op adventures to competitive showdowns, it is the perfect platform to bond with your loved ones over the joy of gaming. Imagine embarking on epic journeys, solving puzzles, and conquering virtual worlds together. It is not just about gaming, it is about creating lasting memories and strengthening family ties. And with Xbox Game Pass, you'll have access to a treasure trove of games, ensuring there is something for every member of the family. Plus, the Xbox Series XS is designed to be user-friendly and accessible, making it easy for everyone, from kids to grandparents, to enjoy their favorite games. The intuitive interface and responsive controllers make gaming a breeze for all ages. So, whether it is a weekend gaming marathon with the family or some quality solo gaming time, the Xbox Series XS is the perfect companion for your gaming adventures. Stick around as we uncover more about what makes these consoles a fantastic choice for gamers of all ages. Let's take a quick look at the top 3 most popular games that are setting the gaming world on fire right now. Fortnite. This battle royale sensation continues to dominate with its ever-evolving gameplay, stunning visuals, and a vibrant community of players. Minecraft. Building, exploring, and creating in an endless blocky world, Minecraft remains a timeless favorite for gamers of all ages. Call of Duty Warzone. The intense and action-packed battle royale mode within the Call of Duty universe has taken the gaming world by storm, offering thrilling firefights and strategic gameplay. These games are just the tip of the iceberg, and there is a whole gaming universe out there waiting to be explored on the Xbox Series XS. So, stay tuned as we delve deeper into the gaming goodness that awaits. Moving on, let's shift our focus to what many consider the best second console option out there. The PlayStation 5 from the gaming giants at Sony. If you are looking to expand your gaming horizons, this is an incredible choice that can truly elevate your gaming experience to new heights. The PlayStation 5 is a gaming masterpiece, offering a world of possibilities right at your fingertips. With lightning-fast load times, breathtaking graphics, and an immersive DualSense controller that responds to your every move, it is a technological marvel that is ready to inspire and motivate you to explore new gaming frontiers. Beyond its technical prowess, the PlayStation 5 boasts an outstanding library of exclusive games. Titles like Demon's Souls, Ratchet & Clank, Rift Apart, and Horizon Forbidden West set new standards for storytelling, gameplay, and graphics. It is an invitation to embark on epic adventures and experience gaming like never before. But what truly sets the PlayStation 5 apart is its commitment to innovation and pushing the boundaries of what gaming can be. With features like 3D audio, haptic feedback, and adaptive triggers, it is not just a gaming console, it is an immersive journey into uncharted gaming realms. So, if you are seeking inspiration and motivation to elevate your gaming to the next level, the PlayStation 5 is your ticket to an incredible gaming odyssey. Unravel the wonders of this console and discover the limitless possibilities it offers to every gamer. Finally, we come to the reigning champion of the gaming world, the Nintendo Switch. This console has captured the hearts of gamers worldwide, and it is not hard to see why. The Nintendo Switch has taken the gaming world by storm, and it's all about versatility. You can seamlessly switch between playing at home on your big screen TV and gaming on the go in handheld mode. It is the perfect blend of traditional and portable gaming, offering flexibility like no other console. But what truly makes the Nintendo Switch shine are its iconic games. From The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild to Animal Crossing, New Horizons, these titles have captured our hearts and imaginations. And, of course, who can forget about Mario and Princess Peach? Mario and Princess Peach are like the gaming world's ultimate power couple. They have been through countless adventures together, with Mario always racing to rescue his beloved princess from Bowser's clutches. It is a tale as old as time, and it never gets old. Who would have thought that a plumber and a princess would make such an iconic duo? So, whether you are exploring Hyrule, building your dream island getaway, or just enjoying some good old-fashioned Mario fun, the Nintendo Switch has got you covered. It is the console that brings laughter, joy, and a little bit of plumbing into our lives. Wow, what an epic journey through the gaming galaxy we have had today. We have explored the world of PC gaming, uncovered the incredible potential of virtual reality, ventured into the Xbox Series XS, discovered the gaming wonders of the PlayStation 5, and marveled at the sheer versatility of the Nintendo Switch. Remember, for more exciting technology and gaming updates, be sure to subscribe to Tech Unboxed, your ultimate destination for all things gaming. And as we wrap up this gaming extravaganza, let's not forget the legendary final bosses of gaming. Bowser, Ganondorf, and the indomitable Sephiroth. These iconic foes have challenged our gaming skills and made us shout with joy as we conquered their trials. So, whether you are a PC enthusiast, a virtual reality explorer, an Xbox hero, a PlayStation legend, or a Nintendo Switch master, keep on gaming, and may your adventures always be epic. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time. If you enjoyed this video and found our discussion on gaming consoles helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Unboxed on YouTube. Stay tuned for more exciting content that unboxes the latest in tech and helps you make informed decisions for your family's enjoyment. Happy gaming, tech boxers!